Today we'll discuss about data source. How to create the data source. Today we will discuss about what is the data source. What is the data source? To establish the connection between application server to database by using port numbers. Secure port number by secure Oracle 1421 DB2 50,000 MySQL 3306 SQL 1433. This is the port numbers of the data source. Port numbers of the data source. We have default type of database is derivative. Derivative is the default database. Default database is derivative. We have provider type, provider types, XA and or non-XA data source. XA means multiple databases to have multiple databases to connect at single time. Single point of time. Non-XA means single database we have to connect at point of time. At a point of time. How to create a data source? I have documentation is there. I will show you document. Data source. I have Oracle data source. I have Oracle data source and SQL Server data source is available. This is the types of data source and its definitions. This is the port numbers of each one. 3306. 3306 is MySQL port number. And the drivers, thick and thin, directly establish the connection. Drivers, thick and thin, directly establish the connection. The JDBC and JNDA. What is JDBC? Means Java Database Connectivity, and JNDA means Java Naming Directory Interface. You can check First, what is the how to get details? Means contact application team for JNDA details. JNDA nothing but database slash data source. Contact DB team for username and password database. After getting details, we can download your files and we can place it the universal driver path. This is the location, and we can establish the security and all the things. Our properties we can get like this, each and every step clearly. Okay, like this we can perform the test connection on the nodes. Okay, select the servers, click server, select all, start. Okay. We can search here. We can go to here to search Oracle. I have Oracle 911G is there, and we have run the query. Connect to the database. This is the password. I connected. Okay, connected Oracle server. Select start from employee. Employee is no table. Select start from Ganesh. Ganesh have no table. Okay. You can verify. There is no table, okay, but username and password is okay, right? For creation of the data source, go to the security and click global security. Go to Java authentication and authorization. Click J2C authentication data, and I will select and delete old ones. And click new. I will give Oracle underscore DB. Username is Ganesh. Password is 718234556. Same thing we have given right here. This is the username. This is the password for Ganesh. Okay. Like this we can give. Already connected, tested so many times. no issues. So apply. Review. After this, go to the creating. Next, go to the resources, go to the JDBC, Java database connectivity. Next, JDBC provider, we have click and select here cluster based on the client requirement. We have select. I have already is there. I am deleting old one. I am deleted old one. Okay, I am newly created. Go to the new. Wait, it will come. Okay. We have any issues? Check node agent lock, that is system out and system error dot logs. Wait 2 more minutes, it will come. This is the database. We have select DB or Oracle, Sybase SQL, Oracle, and provider type Oracle JDBC provider. Implementation type here. Sorry, provider types. Select JDBC here. Implementation types. Implementation types. XA or non-XA. See, I'm select XA means multiple databases connect at a time. So I'm selecting multiple. Already is this part. A jar file is presented. This is universal driver part. In this, see, in this. This is all jar files are located in this path. Okay, don't confusion universal driver path. That is next. This is way to create JDBC provider. After this, click save. Save to the master repository dmger configurations. Okay, click particular JDBC provider. Click additional properties, data source. Click new. First we need to install database, then we can create the password, and after that we can use like this. In my laptop I have created database. I installed the Oracle and SQL Server databases, so with connectivity is very easy to Windows. Okay, that is the thing. Data source is very important. After that, SSL is very important. Don't miss this class. If anyone miss, I will send the recording. Okay, we have selected here data source. Data source means your database name Ganesh, username. This is the data source name Ganesh. This okay. This connect to Ganesh. This is the data source name. JDM is JDBC slash data source name Ganesh. Okay. Next, we have get the URL. URL of the database connectivity, and this is the default URL for all the things. Establish the connection between application server to database. There is JDBC URL. They can use thin driver, means we can directly establish the connection. There is no intermediate drivers are available. Okay. Thick means we can intermediate drivers will be available. Thin means directly establish the connection. We have DMGR component based areas, and this is the certification question in 9.0.5. In authentication alias for the resource, component based authentication alias and container based authentication alias, you can select both. Finish. After that, save changes. Go to the environment, WebSphere variables. We can verify here. Universal driver path is configured or not properly. We can verify. Select scope as a cluster. Cluster means failover control. One node is down, another node is up running. That is nothing but failover control. This is the path already given. Oracle JDB. If not given, you can click new and use this. After that, go to system administration. Go to the nodes, node agents. Select all. Restart all servers on node. Okay. All servers are started. No issues. We have all. This is the very important step for data source. This is the final step. Any issues, check node agent logs. Any agent failures, you can verify node agent logs. I think no errors. If any errors, we can verify node agent logs. Restart means one by one restarting, not all at a time. After all restarting, we can select the test to server, test to connection success, then only we'll get it. Wait 2-3 minutes, it will success. One by one is restarting. Where test connection is performed under the node agents, not servers. Okay. This is the certification question. This is the certification question. One by one restarting. One by one restarting. Wait 2-3 minutes. If you cannot apply this, configuration changes are not applicable. So database disconnection is failed. Maybe sometimes fail. So better to use this step, final step. For test connection, node agent master should be running. Otherwise, we get error. Connecting to database, it will choose. Wait, it will start. Okay, one by one restarting it. All nodes master should be set, then only we can perform the operation. Otherwise, we can get error. Node API server node 2 is still connecting. Yes, after this, go to resources, click JDBC provider, select a particular JDBC provider newly created, right? Now go to the data source, click additional properties, and select. We have to perform the test connection on the node agents. See, data source JDBC data source supplies application with connection accessing the database. Okay, wait, it will connect. It will success or failure. Failure means we can verify node agent logs. See, connection is success. Success, no issues, any errors. We will see node agent log, that is system out.log, system error.log under node agents. Okay, 100% success result. See, this is the success. No issues is reported. Okay, this is way to create the data source. Go to the security. I am creating SQL Server data source. Go to security, click Java authentication authorization, and I am selecting new. I will give SQL_DB and SA is the username and the password is same 71823456. My database, SQL Server database. So like this we have a connection is established by using JDBC. This is the SQL Server JDBC 42. Okay, click new, click the save. Okay, go to JDBC, click particular JDBC provider, go to the resources, here click a cluster because already. Okay, go to database. You can use SQL Server database. In this you can use provider type is Microsoft SQL Server Type 2 driver. This is, we can give this time non-XA data source, only single database we have connect. Okay. Single database we have connect. This is, we have collect next. This is the driver location we have given. We have D drive, program files, IBM WebSphere, app server, universal driver, lab. You can give this is the path we have to give in this location. This must be SQL Server JDBC 42.jari compulsory in this path. Finish. So in this SQL Server JDBC 42.jari is available. Next. Click particular JDBC provider SQL. Go to the data source. Click new. I installed already SQL Server. See, SQL Server is there. Same, but we have given this is extra we given in the environment variables. That is the thing. Remaining everything is same. Here we can use already we can give small, right? Now we can, this time we can give SA means username, database name is Ganesh. Okay, how to get means ask application team, they will give name. This is Ganesh is the database, JDBC / Ganesh. Next, here we can use Ganesh. This is my computer name. 1433. Component based and container based we have mapped the alias. Same SQL Server DB, not working. After this, next, finish. I will open for SQL Server. So this is I will log in with your 7832 my username, and password is okay. Database. This is my database. This is data source means database name. My database name is Ganesh. So same thing I give it here. Okay. After this, go to environment WebSphere variables. We will click new, and here also same you can give universal driver. Okay, all drivers must should be located in this path. So I given this. Save next. You can verify this. Yes, these three are located in. These three are located in. See, you can select all scope. You can get all the things. See, 189. This is the log path. This is the SQL Server JDBC path. This is SQL Server JDBC driver path. And like that, it will use MS SQL Server. Okay. You can go by table. Okay. Like this, we can go here. Okay, like this. After this, go to system administration, go to node regions, select all, and restart all servers on node. This is the master should be nodes. Okay, test connection is going on. Wait 2 more minutes. All node agent merchants should be running state. Um, okay. Okay, wait until it will complete. My students join today, so I will send recording to my students. Okay, you can verify one more time all servers are started or not. Just go to resources, go to click JDBC provider. Click Microsoft SQL Server JDBC driver. This is 6.1.0.15 on database. Go to click DataSource and select the data source and perform the test connection. If errors means database username and password is fake, like that it will, node agent is not up. Data source is performed under the node agents, not servers. Okay, node agent is nothing but a server that create automatically when node is added into the TMGR cell. Connecting, we are verifying all the properties. Yes, success, no issues, data source. Okay, this is the nothing but after that go to the this Ganesh. There is minimum and maximum connections is available. Fifteen 03 2024. In this we have connection properties. Okay, minimum connections, minimum is 1, maximum connections is 10. Okay, purge policy is entire means the entire we can do like this. Okay, purge policy means entire means all fail and non-failed connections. Failure plus okay, this is okay, not about a data source. Okay, this is I will show you tomorrow's SSL concept. I will show you. This is connection pool properties. Very important connection pool properties also. This is connection timeout is 180 seconds. Maximum is or 10, minimum is 0. Read time is 180. Unused means 1800 milliseconds. After this 0. Purge policy, entire pool means failed and non-failed connection. Only selected failed means only failed connection can verify. Age at timeout. We can interview question. We can ask what is the connection timeout 180 seconds, 1800 seconds. Like that we can verify. This is the connection pool properties. I will send you the recording. Okay, don't worry about this.